You ever feel like you're tired of AI? If you're not in it, you're gonna get left behind. Even though it's kind of just starting, because same. Everywhere you look is 10 AI tools that will replace your job. How to make 10K a month with AI. And use this prompt to get rich while you sleep. And at some point, it stopped feeling exciting and started feeling like a pyramid scheme. It's people teaching other people how to use AI so they can turn around and then sell that exact same thing to someone else. Today, this is not a I hate technology rant. This is, I do see the value of it, but I'm done with the FOMO, this fake urgency, and the course on top of course pyramid scheme that has just grown around it. Hi, I'm Ivan. Welcome back to my universe. So let's be clear, AI is actually useful. For most normal people, AI is a super search engine, and I would even say like a decent assistant. It's great at helping you draft emails, summarize info, brainstorm, or if you're a techie, you debug code maybe faster. That's cool, and that's enough. It doesn't have to be some magical portal that guarantees you this millionaire status. But the culture around AI, it's exhausting. And it has been exhausting for the last 4 years. But there's a name for it now. AI FOMO and AI fatigue. So brands and regular people are reporting that they are completely exhausted of seeing AI slapped on everything and basically get told that they are behind if they don't jump right now. It has gone from like being curious about it to like this constant level of anxiety where if I don't learn this specific tool or this specific framework, will I have a career next year? So here's where it really starts to feel a little off. Look at your feed. I'll teach you how to use AI for content. My AI Notion will save your life. My AI course helps you build AI agencies. And who are they selling to? Mostly other creators or freelancers that just turn around and then they create their own how to use AI to make money. That's just another product that then falls into the same layer down. Very few people actually show, here's an actual business that I built that isn't just teaching AI. Here are paying customers and here's what we deliver. I think that's where the pyramid vibes really come from. Like money circulates more about learning how to make money with AI than around actually making money with AI in a grounded way. And like any pyramid goes, the people that started at the top, so the ones that started early and built an audience and packaged some half-ass common sense with AI on the label, take the best part of the cake. And everyone else is just buying, hoping they'll become that person. AI is just being shoved in everywhere right now. In your social apps, in your docs, in your news apps, in your shopping. And people are complaining that it just feels unavoidable at this stage. And often doesn't even solve the problem they actually had. Even businesses are admitting that they were under pressure to adopt AI. And that's not because they had a clear strategy, it's because everyone else was adopting it. Meanwhile, audiences are showing clear signs of burnout. People are less impressed by some like AI generated image or video. Just go through any brand, you'll see like all the comments is like, fuck this AI slop. And they're starting to question that as a sense of authenticity and basically like tune out the low effort AI slop content. So on one side, there's like this massive hype of huge promises that this will change everything. But on the other side, there's like a lot of mildly useful features plus a wave of generic content and people getting tired about hearing about it. Even me, I'm tired just recording this video and probably you're tired listening to me say these things. If you strip away the hype, AI is actually great as a boring, practical tool. As a search helper, I love it. Like you can find sources and explore ideas and getting quick overviews before you dive deeper yourself. As a writing assistant, you can do like first drafts and outlines and subject line ideas. or just cleaning up messy text as we all do when we're free form writing, as a productivity helper. Quick explanations of concepts you don't quite understand, but you also don't want to spend like 40 times Googling. None of that is sexy enough to sell you a $9.99 AI course system, but it's actually where it delivers the most consistent value. And that's the irony. I feel like if people treated AI a normal tool like a calculator, or a spell checker on steroids, most of the anxiety will disappear. Like, what annoys me most is the psychological aspect of this. Creators are already burnt out. I started 3 months ago, and I still want to do this, but I can see a lot of people are like really defeated by this whole AI thing. And over half report a level of exhaustion, and a big chunk are thinking of quitting. Now, this constant AI FOMO, like, you're lazy if you don't automate everything, you're behind if you're not using these 20 tools, and you're stupid if you don't build an AI side hustle. It kind of turns this curiosity into shame. Instead of it being like, oh, this could help me, it becomes, oh my god, I'm failing if I'm not doing enough of this. At this point, I don't think it's the technology anymore. I think it's just fear and insecurity to sell products. Here's where this lands with me. AI is staying, but it will keep evolving and it will quietly integrate into everything. But the hype bubble around it, like the endless get rich with AI content and all these course pyramids that I talked, I think that will pop eventually. And in the meantime, it's okay to use AI in simple ways that actually help you. And it's also okay to ignore the pressure to build some massive AI empire and opt out of this FOMO and just choose what fits your value and your life. So if you've been feeling tired of this AI hype, and you're kind of skeptical of this pyramid scheme vibe as well, but you're still seeing real value of the tools, drop a comment below. I would love to hear you. Like, how are you using AI, if anything? And do you feel like everyone is trying to sell you something about it? And I'm a seller, so that's why it burns the double. And because honestly, maybe the most future-proof skill you could be learning right now is not knowing every AI tool, but knowing when to say, no, thanks, that's not for me. Thank you so much, human, for being here with me. My name is Ivan, and maybe we'll be until next week, where I'll welcome you back to my universe.